Girl, how would you like to get the newspaper? You want to go get the newspaper? Go get it. Want to go get it? Oh, boy, that would sure help me. Then I wouldn't have to go outside. Okay. Let me open the door. Let me open the door. All right. Now you make sure you get our newspaper. Don't get the neighbors, okay? All right. Go get it, girl. Go get it. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. No. Oh, Daisy. That's not our newspaper. That's the neighbors. Yeah, for Pete's sake. Oh, goodness. Okay. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I'll give you a snack. What do you want? What do you want? You want one of these little chicken strips? You want one of these? Is that what you want? Okay. Gotta get one out of the bag here. He was an awful good girl. Yeah. Okay. There you go. That's for you. Okay. Good girl.